back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, when the narcissist realizes you caught on to their game. Already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. This is checkmate. This is the get back. And this shit right here is where you stand on business about what you've been experiencing in your damn life for too damn long. Narcissists already know how reprehensible the behavior is. They already know they've been playing both fool and the victim at the same damn time. But when you catch on to the main game, when you stop overreacting, file for divorce, break up with them, stop feeding into the bullshit manipulation games, now you get to see how fragile their fucking ego is. And that very same ego was why they never treated you right. It was why they disrespected you constantly. It was why each time you showed vulnerability, they fed on it like a rabid dog. They are the complaint that they complain about. They are the problem they blamed you for being, and the crash out who truly loves to be in control of everything, except for their own fucking actions. And when they realize those breadcrumbs of hope ain't gonna keep you coming back to this bullshit, toxically justifying their behavior and giving them another chance, shit, there's only two options. Admit defeat, moving on to the new supply, or make life even more exhausting for you by taking their assholery to the next level. The problem with the former, the narcissist is never really done with you. Well, so even if they do leave, you know you become the problem, right? The crazy ex, the one who used and abused them, and they'll smear your name to anybody who will listen. They already been doing that since before you left anyway. The second option is to pull the most dangerous trick out of their bag. You know, drag out that divorce or breakup, refusing to sign your documents, return your personal items, pick up their shit, start randomly having emergencies they need your help with, start leveraging your relationships with your kids, friends, family, driving by your house, following you from accounts user number 79345. See, this is the crash out. This is the validation. And this is the telltale sign of somebody who never knew what the fuck they wanted in the first place. They never knew how to manage their emotion. They never knew how to treat you with kindness and respect. And they never could have been the person you've been because they have zero capacity to be it. And I'm choosing my words carefully because someone who lacks willingness just could have been emotionally unavailable to you and your specific needs. But somebody without capacity means they literally couldn't manage the type of time, emotional bandwidth, the request, or the energy to be exactly what the fuck you needed. In a sense, you were a burden in their life. And consider that shit. Someone who pursued you didn't have the capacity to handle you, but also might have lacked the willingness for the double whammy on the other side of that. And when you are dealing with a narcissist who lacks empathy, but also has an insatiable appetite for control and dominance, it's a dangerous ass place to be, ain't it? That will completely devastate and possibly destroy your entire nervous system regulation. And that's not what the fuck you signed up for, is it? As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video. But in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.